Welcome to Car Culture, where we dive into the latest and greatest in the world of automobiles. Today, we're taking a close look at the 2025 Ford Ranger. This all-new model brings a blend of power, versatility, and modern design, continuing Ford's legacy in the midsize pickup truck market. The 2025 Ford Ranger takes a bold step forward in terms of design. With a more aggressive front grille, sleek lines, and a refined yet rugged look, this truck is sure to turn heads. The front end features a larger grille, integrated LED headlights, and a wider stance, making it not only functional but also appealing to those looking for a truck that stands out. The updated body design gives it a more muscular appearance while maintaining the truck's tough, work-ready reputation. The overall proportions feel well balanced, with enhanced aerodynamics contributing to both performance and fuel efficiency. Inside, the 2025 Ranger introduces a cabin that's both comfortable and tech-savvy. The materials are upgraded, offering a more premium feel compared to previous models. The seats are designed for long-haul comfort, with available options like leather upholstery. Technology takes center stage with a new infotainment system that includes a larger touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and even an upgraded sound system. The layout is ergonomic, with intuitive controls and plenty of storage spaces, ensuring that the Ranger is as practical inside as it is on the outside. Whether you're using it for work or leisure, the interior is ready to cater to your needs. When it comes to performance, the 2025 Ranger doesn't disappoint. Powered by a selection of turbocharged engines, including a new V6 option, this truck is built to handle both daily driving and heavy-duty tasks. The turbocharged four-cylinder engine provides a perfect balance of efficiency and power, while the V6 offers more towing capability for those who need to haul larger loads. Paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, the Ranger delivers smooth, responsive driving whether you're on the highway or tackling rough terrain. The addition of advanced suspension systems ensures a comfortable ride, even on uneven surfaces. With various drive modes, including off-road options, this Ranger is designed to take on any challenge. Ford has also equipped the 2025 Ranger with a suite of advanced technology and safety features. Standard features include a rear-view camera, automatic emergency braking, and lane keeping assist. Higher trims offer even more advanced options like adaptive cruise control and blind spot monitoring. The truck's new infotainment system also integrates seamlessly with your devices, making it easier to stay connected on the go. Whether you're heading to work or off on an adventure, the 2025 Ranger ensures that you're driving with confidence. The 2025 Ford Ranger is a well-rounded, capable vehicle that combines modern features with rugged strength. Whether you're looking for a reliable workhorse or a stylish truck for your weekend adventures, this Ranger has it all. Stay tuned to Car Culture for more in-depth reviews and updates on the latest in automotive trends.